Hey everyone, in this video I will show you two easy ways to place text behind an image in Canva using remove background and magic grab. Plus I will add a cool outline effect to make the text pop. Let's get started. First upload your image and add it to the canvas. Now add your text and position it where you want it to appear behind the subject. Next, select the image, go to edit image and click background remover. Once the background is removed, the text will appear behind the main subject. To make the text stand out even more, duplicate the text and apply the outline effect from the text settings. Place this outline text in front of the image while keeping the original text behind. This creates a stunning layered look. In the next method, select your image and click Magic Grab. This will detect the main subject and let you move or edit specific parts of the image. Now remove the selected subject, add your text and position it behind the image. Once done, place the subject back in position for a seamless effect. And that's it. You have successfully placed text behind an image with a professional touch by using these two easy methods. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comments which method you like the most. See you in the next one.